What is going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today I get the pleasure, the absolute pleasure, to welcome a new build to the channel. Now, it's not my truck, but it will be a truck that we are going to showcase and build on the channel together. This truck is owned by a great friend of mine named Alex. He has a great name, one of the best names you could have, Alex. I mean, it's just such a king's name. Owned by a buddy of mine named Alex. Alex is the owner of MCGAUGHYS Upholstery. You guys have seen me at his shop before. Great friend of mine. We're gonna go check it out today. He just got it a couple days ago. I'm one of the first people to see it, and I'm gonna get to show it to you guys today. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm not gonna give you guys any clues to what it is until we get there. Stay tuned, I'll see you guys there. What is going on over here? Welcome to MCGAUGHYS Upholstery. I said welcome like you guys haven't been here before with me. Let's go find Alex. Let's get out of the truck. We're gonna go find him. Whoa. Oh man. Hey. Show me this truck of yours. Oh. Before we jump into the video today, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, MCGAUGHYS Lift Kits. Do you have a truck? You right there that's watching this video. If you have a truck and you want a lift kit or you want a lowering kit, check out MCGAUGHYS first. MCGAUGHYS makes great lift kits. They make them for almost every GM out there, newer than 2000. They make some for Fords, which is why I'm bringing it up in today's video. They make them for Fords as well. So make sure, hit the link in the description, check out their Instagram, check out some of their great products. I personally love them. Great customer service. Their marketing team is fantastic as well. Hit them up first before you do anything. Check them out. That's all I ask. Just check them out. But we're jumping in the video today. I am at MCGAUGHYS Upholstery. I'm sitting in this beautiful chair done by MCGAUGHYS Upholstery, Alex himself. It's a beautiful chair. I don't know what kind of design this is, but that's not why we're here today. We're here, one, I want to let you guys know that Alex at MCGAUGHYS Upholstery does a lot of different things. Alex does all of your home furniture needs as well as all of your automotive needs. Side panels, seats, headliners, repairs. He does all kinds of different services, and I'm going to show you guys some of those today while we're here checking out his new truck. There are a couple little small things that me and him are going to work on with the truck that need to be repaired soon before we dive into the big custom jobs that we might get into with the truck, and I'm going to show you guys those here shortly, so stay tuned. I hope you were excited. New truck on the way. Alex is going to finish something up real quick before we show you the new truck. I want to show you guys something real quick. Just some of the great things that Alex does over here at MCGAUGHYS Upholstery. It's really weird saying my name like that. That's weird. Excuse the Chili's to-go cup, but just some of the things that Alex does, I want to let you guys know. I know a lot of your Duramaxes, a lot of your older trucks, especially with the leather seats, this starts to crack. Hit him up. He does replacements of single panels and full seats as well. He does all of your custom side, anything that's actually leather on the side, he'll knock that stuff out too. So I think we're gonna do black with this, maybe some red striping in here, something, I don't know, give it some red accent. The one thing that I really wanted to show you guys that he does and can fix, one, I know these seats are terribly dirty. I work at jobs that I get dirty at work and then I just hop in and slide in the truck. I'm planning on fixing this, don't worry. But the one thing I wanted to show you guys mainly that I'm gonna get him to work on soon is this. So I honestly, you guys know I rest my arm right there while I'm driving a lot, and over time it's just kind of dried up and started to crack. He does do full replacements of these on top, on the sides, on the bottom. I mean, anything here, all the stains and stuff from just drinks over time, he can change all of that. I mean, he does great work. It'll look just like it did from the factory. If you guys need anything, any quotes, any prices, make sure to hit the link in the description to his Instagram. Hit him up, tell him I sent you, and we can work out a deal and get your stuff done. I think he went around the side here. Pretty sure. Oh, can y'all see through the hole? Let's go find out. Bam, just like that. I know what you guys are gonna say. You guys are probably gonna say, wow, you've had a lot of Fords on the channel recently. Is there something you're not telling us? Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down, slow down. There's no need to make huge accusations like that. What is my name? What's my name? My name's Alex. His name is Alex. What's the channel name? Thatwide.bowtie. As long as it's wide, I'll make an exception. And I know MCGAUGHYS might make an exception for us and make it wide. But this is Alex's brand new to him. 2013 Ford F-150 Limited, 2-wheel drive, I believe. We're gonna dive into this thing. This honestly, so you guys know I'm a Chevy guy. I'm definitely a Chevy guy, but this is a really clean, really nice truck, and we're gonna dive into it today. Something I'm really excited about is being able to build this on the channel with you guys. Alex wants to partner up with me and allow me to film everything that he does. He's got so many plans for this. The one thing that I will say right now, this truck would look great with a MCGAUGHYS lift kit on it. That's my plug, that's my one, I'm done. I'm sorry, I won't make another comment about it. MCGAUGHYS lift kit on this, I would love to see it. I don't know about you guys, but I'll plant the seed. But let's go take a look at this beautiful truck. There's a lot of things about this truck that I really like. You guys know I'm not a Ford guy, but I definitely like a lot of things about this truck. It's got the accent pieces that it does have are really nice. I know that L&M Wraps is gonna go crazy on this truck. At least put some, I don't know, I don't wanna spoil too much, but I know that one thing I'll tell you guys right now, Alex's favorite color, his business colors are green. So I know this truck is gonna have some green accents on it at some point. I'm assuming maybe a green logo on the side will probably come nicely, but you guys didn't click on this video to hear about the green logos. You guys want to know what we're going to do to this truck. So I know for sure, I mean, it's got 22s. The biggest thing that I want to know from you guys is leave your comments below. Alex wants some ideas, I want some ideas. We all want to know what you guys think we should do to this truck. Should we lift it? Should we lower it? Should we leave it like this? Should we level it? You know, let me know. Drop some comments below and genuinely let me know what you guys think Alex should do with this truck. We're gonna get Zach at EXZACT Window Tint to put some awesome tint down on this thing. Obviously, Alex is gonna change up the inside. L&M Wraps is gonna drop an amazing wrap job on this, whether it's a full wrap or, you know, partial, just to get a logo on there. We're gonna get all the guys together and really make this truck something special, and I want some input from you guys. But let's jump into it and see what's really going on with this thing. Oh. This is my favorite thing about this truck, right? Well, one, it's got the, these aren't amp steps, but, oh, I'd act like pushing the button would make them. They're not amp steps, but it does have the power steps, which I really like. I know that Alex's wife is very happy about those as well. We're a little limited because we got to keep the ladies in our life happy. So we're a little limited with what we can do with our toys, unless you're like me and my girlfriend wants a bigger truck than I have. So we can't all be blessed and cursed at the same time with that. But my favorite thing about this truck, even though I'm sure he's going to change it, it does have the red leather inserts, which is pretty freaking cool. Always like to see the red leather. All black interior. This, like I said, it's a 2013, but this is a really clean truck. I mean, I really like the way the inside of this looks. It's got the black leather with the red, what would you call it now? Striping, the red accents, I guess you could say. Look at got the sunroof up here. Oh man, red leather back seats too. This is a really nice truck. So I'm gonna give you guys a little story time for the day. So my girlfriend, maybe right before Christmas, right after, sometime around there, maybe for Christmas, I can't remember, got me some jeans. And I'm a big fan of Levi jeans. I like Levi jeans. Levi jeans, if you guys are watching this, let's do something. She got me some jeans, and they're the most comfortable jeans. I don't know, they're not jeggings. They're not like the, you know how girls wear like the stretchy jeans. They're not real jeans, but they look like jeans. They're not those, but they're like stretchier. I don't know, they're really comfortable. So huge shout out to Christina for getting me these jeans. Normally when I go to get into trucks, like your jeans kind of tug on you a little bit. These are a little stretchier, so they don't like get caught and they don't like pull you. I don't know, it's weird. I really like them though. I'm trying, you know, I'm trying to get Alex to get in the video. To all of his family in Brazil. Whoa, okay, there we go. To all of his family in Brazil, was it oi? Oi. Oi. That's what I got to say. What's your, I wanted Alex to be a part of this video. It is his truck. All the videos are always about me, so I try and include other people in the videos. Hopefully I can get him to turn the camera around and tell you guys his favorite thing about the truck. He said his son's favorite thing about the truck is the butt warmers. Is his son, how old's your son? 11. 11. Oh, I thought he was so much younger than that. Butt warmers. I like butt warmers too. It keeps me warm. You guys know I'm from Florida. I hate the cold. I can't do the cold. No cold. All right. You can't run from it forever. What's your, all right, you can hold it right there, but tell me what your favorite thing is.
The side steps.
The side steps?
Yeah.
Alex isn't.
But then it's going to be the seats after that.
The seats, yeah. So I was telling you guys, Alex, obviously he's in an upholstery shop. The seats are going to be off the chain. I don't know who says off the chain anymore, but Off the chain. That's what the seats are gonna be. And Alex isn't the tallest guy in the world, so I'm sure the steps are pretty nice. I mean, like I was said, honestly, so I told them a little story. These pants, for whatever reason, are a lot stretchier than my other ones, so it's a lot easier to get into the. Maybe you need some stretchy jeans like that.
So yeah, side step for me is.
Can we put some exhaust on it? Or no, you said the wife no exhaust. Okay, well,
no,
maybe something small. So like a quiet exhaust.
Yeah.
Just a little something. Just something decent. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Side step is the best.
I need to. Christina tells me I need those all the time. No, I can't do it. No side steps. Not for me. No, it's not happening. You know, I did just realize that I'm pretty sure Boost Auto Parts just started making tow mirrors too. Boost Auto Parts. What am I doing with my finger? I don't know. Boost Auto Parts. I do think Boost Auto Parts just started making tow mirrors. I think those will look great on this truck too, especially if we can get a little bit of stance to it. I don't know if we're actually gonna go McGaughy's lift kit, but I definitely would recommend it. If you guys have a Ford out there, you need a lift kit, McGaughy's is the way to go. Boost Auto Parts though does make the color matched switchback tow mirrors. That would look pretty good. I think I need some of those on the truck. Let me know in the comments. Excuse me. Oh, well, I don't know where Alex went. We're back in our fancy chair to end the video off today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are excited for the new build on the channel. We're gonna be building that truck on the channel. Everything he does, he wants to film and put on the channel. I am honored. Thank you so much, Alex, for allowing us to come and do this. Like I said, if you guys need anything, repairs, services, color changes, headliners, all of that custom stuff, all of that great stuff, hit up Mags Upholstery. Link is in the description below. Tag it. Hit him up, follow him on Instagram, get him to 1,000. Sorry, lost it for a second. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get this bread.
Get this bread.
Is it gonna focus on me, is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F-150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.